Hey guys, this is Gary back with another review for you today. Wanted to do a review on this little gadget that will make, if you are doing a lot of videos with your iPhone 15 Pro, because they are USB-C now, and your Android devices, your Samsung S23 or S22 Ultra, this will be an invaluable little gadget. This is the 180 degrees U-shaped USB Type C male to female adapter. Now I'm going to show you guys how I use this thing. I normally attach this to my port here uh, for my 5-in-1 attachment here. And I'm going to show you how exactly I use this. So I'm just going to attach my little gadget here to my hub. And you see I've got all of my other my SanDisk cards and other attachments there. And this is my iPhone 15 Pro. And I'm just going to let you guys see how this attaches here. Okay. And there we go. That's how that works. Okay. It's not covering up my lenses when I take my photos and videos of my products. And this is what, with the iPhone 15 Pro, actually, you can record straight to your disk. And that's what I love about this, because especially if you're running out of disk space on your iPhone, this will work really, really great. But anyway, guys, that is how I use this little gadget here. And this will be great for you. Like I said, if you're taking a lot of videos or photographs, this will work for you. But anyway, guys, that is your review today on this little gadget. This U-shaped USB Type-C male to USB Type-C female. This is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches. Anyway, guys, that's your review for today. Make it a great day.